go, screen porch build. Hey y'all, so here's the updated progress on the screen porch build. I've got it excavated, graded, and gravel in there with the French drain that runs all the way down and around. You can see I have a trough here filled with gravel so the rain doesn't wash out the dirt from underneath the slab. It's all gonna run to the front of the porch, outside the posts, and then all the way down. You can kind of see the dirt where it comes out down there with the ground. Framing and decking day. You can see got all my hurricane straps in there, blocking for the decking. You can see where it's finishing out. Look at that. It fits perfectly under the jam. 4 decking, after decking framed up, joist hangers, corner straps on everything. You can see I've got gravel, it's 2 inches below the concrete. And then I've got the tape wrapped around the bottom, just preventing weather moisture that sits from being up against the post when there's a lot of rain. Blocking for when the boards wrap around the posts, like straps on straps. See that in the corner there? Whatever it takes to do it right. Sale here with a quick DIY tip. Lex sleeping on the job there. Even give him a cot and look, he sleeps on the hard part. Just want to show you all things to consider whenever you're building and what takes time. So I got me a little template board here for my rafters. When you're looking at lumber, you got to watch for, you can't just grab a board and start cutting, or you got to plan your cuts around things like this knot. So look at this, if I was to put into my board and that knot right there, that's gonna fail eventually. So I've got to slide it down and make sure I cut that out of my template. And also at the other end where I've got my little bird's mouth, you know, make sure that ends up at a knot or somewhere that's gonna fail or create a weak spot. Also, every board you look down, you want it to be relatively straight. See if you can look down that. See, yeah, that one's pretty straight compared to, look at that guy. That one can build a boat with that one. So there's lots to consider. Which way the board's curving, where the knots are, and all that good stuff. Anyways, that's my DIY tip for the day. Pay attention to the wood. Lex, looking good, man. Hey y'all. So here's the screen porch, framed up, ready for screening. We got a cool little knee wall down here for an accent. I think that's gonna look cool once it's screened in. Lex is digging the porch. You see metal going on today. screen porch is done. What y'all think? Got aluminum screen so the cat hopefully won't tear it up. We got a French drain going all the way across, because what happens is all the water comes down this hill and right to the house. So I've got it where this gravel bed runs straight to the French drain, and then all the water, got a video to show y'all on that. And then the water runs down and out. That's it. Screen porch. Oh, y'all want to see the inside? Come on in. Looking cozy already. Here's a little cat corner. And cat trees. Look, there's in the window. Y'all saw the before and after on that. Turned out nice. Anybody need a screen porch? Give me a shout.